The Distillery District is a third place located in the east part of downtown Toronto. Originally designed by architect and engineer David Roberts Sr., the Distillery District was once a stone mill and distillery in 1861. In 2003, it was reconstructed to become a public third place with cafes, art galleries, restaurants, and events that are held there throughout the year. The architects from ERA Architects and Corporations and James Goad redesigned the 47 Victorian industrial buildings known as the Gooderham and Worts Distillery to reshape the area to express a positive relationship between the old and the new. The goal of this restoration was to design a unique space with a romantic and relaxing atmosphere that people can experience. The anti-scrape restoration technique was used rather than restoring the entire site because the designers wanted to allow people to experience the past in our current time. Some events held at the Distillery District are the Lights Festival, Sunday Market, New Year's celebration, and the very well-known Christmas market. The Monastiraki Square, located near the Plaka neighborhood and beneath the Acropolis in Athens, Greece, is a very old historical site that was also restored in 2007 by ETBO. The area was retiled, replanted, and upgraded with electro lighting to create a more comfortable space for people to enjoy. The site originally had one of Athens' largest monasteries, which unfortunately were demolished, only leaving a small Byzantine church built in the 17th century called Pantanassa that sits next to a 10th century church. Monastiraki Square got its name from this church since Monastiraki means little monastery in Greek. The square includes a ceramics museum, which was originally a mosque called Tiskaraski's Mosque, the Roman Library of Hadrian, a metro station, cafes, restaurants, and a flea market, which is a well-known site visited by many tourists. After comparing the two sites, I believe that the Distillery District is more successful because the architects redesigned the building, which had an entirely different purpose, into a public space, which created this third-place atmosphere. Meanwhile, Monastiraki Square has been a traditional meeting point for many generations.